Well, here it is, the Redneck air conditioner. We're fixing to put the generator in. Here's the lucky vehicle owner, and we're gonna put the gen set in.
We call it Redneck Cool. Redneck Cool it is.
We cool. All right. Well, you can't pick that up.
I can't pick anything.
Hell, I can hardly pick it up.
You're the man.
Okay. Well, we're gonna be right back to you. Well, there it is. Purring like a kitten. 5,000 BTU. Got the little Honda 2000 on it. Look at that. Oh, that's nice. Alright, y'all. That's the Redneck air conditioner. We're finna go for a ride. See y'all.